Yeah, good evening. Anuanom na adofo. Your friend me Yakwache, ebi friend me Isaac, ebi nso friend me Ofayaw. Last week me a video. Na me se me be video for ade statistic abekere ma obi ehu. Nia ekoso. Die nti a ye bre, a ye nti niema bi ase. Ede ne yakobo besia me ne yen. Me pese obi ehu. Me de me yes, me de me bibia make bia me kire ase. Ena bibia me yen mathematics. Well, a year crime reflecting. UK damete. My print nina as tax basis. And will be a juma. Your friend be income tax or tax. Before you pay no salary never bano. Ni ate abaya tene the other. Ni ate pension, state pension. And will be a beko pension. Oh my way. Ana unye sika. Sa sika ni ori akoto ade. I friend V80. It is a nipa na wabi adwuma no. Yasa tene tax e friend corporation tax. Say shop wo, say die yo ya bete wo. And what is the government benefit from all this taxation? I don't know the bu on mine no. Ba ye kro mu Ghana ne de. Ye see so am see so am ni free de no. Papa bi an friend JJ Lawrence. Obeye ku. Say ni bro si die yo. Na business people mo man mu nyina papa gira nanim gi obi a japade wo sizi e ma bi mu famu ye so ahụ tata blue way wo mo keka ho na ade nyina enti no private sectors a wo man mu a wo de beboa ama o man na nya mfaso no yesizi wo mu ne ma nyina enti taxes a make ho asem nya ba ne tua aye private sector no obi di ne sika bie na dwuma. And o say nipa na obefa nipa and obetua ne ka otua ne ka no otua ne income tax na maban no otua nipa ne pension and o nipa no na dwuma no saban sa ate ne tax and nipa ni nyesi odibi nso akwakoto ade atua VAT and the government dey otifa akon and nkasa sika we nyina eba no oje. Wow, enti abroche no ye dua private sectors no obi a obi adwebia ye boa wom amadwuma ne agro sane nipa no obetimi aboa mo o make scenario bi a kire mo Margaret Thatcher Idi Amin ta Margaret Thatcher kofa India fo efri East Africa onim si India fo ni di dwa omo se kwafo oba no ma obi sika ana omo de ton ade and omo de year shop Dubai Landia India for shop in then India for na ya atoto sisi hotels and a lot of things that there can say enuma bebre wa huni mu dia a obi di grow yesu dia ba ye begu ni nyina na ye gold na ye nyame de maaye no jesi ye de kokoton ne fofofo anu na ye bre no enne me kire wase enne enu na ye bre no Ghana mpanifo omo siase wo makọ wiase school nyina no adwen a omo enya aye no no omo ehun se private sector ana ye de chichire oman private sector ana betimi afa nipa atua ne tax atua ne bibia ma aban na nya ne ho mfaso omo de omo nyansa ne PhD bebrebe no Mika that time Lawrence and Kwasi Botwem nyina wo mu. Chikata no na ade ni na omu nya omako school. Egura degree akese. Enti nyansa omu hu that time no. Any Ghana yesuku no any that time any ye ne o. Any ye ne. Me say you we sa akyerem. Wahu we no ase no wahu. VAT ne niam nyina wo mu ne ase no. Wo be hu say COVID the buy British government was freezing fuel duty. And the fuel duty no. Send a private fuel, send your coffin no sa na ye ton no. Ye won fa couple kra nto so. Because then am say private sectors no. Omo group private sectors no. Amo gira omo na so. Ah ono omo ti fa nkrofo. Ama omo tua tax. And the abana nye sika. And odi bi ye. Fuel duty. Custom duty ayefo ewo kro we mu. Ayefo pa because of duty and for my I have for pa first and I make of cars with Japan. But about 15 years ago, as someone and I make Japan, I cover cars 4x4. Me buy duty a betriano 20% from the VAT, VAT to 20% near even 17.5. It is a car that me £1,000. Now me 17.5 from the £1,000. Me the £2,000. Now me 17.5, £2,000, and me 300, and no pen will be. And now, Faka could do Tamahabo. Oto can 2,000, we could hear 5,000. And away you know the Abakromo. Super Mahu. None of Wabe ding, and your common sense. This is absolutely madness. I will nipano, Akofani Yamano. Our deba mamun. A honor bane penny sika. And I will see us walk school. I must see us in Tumufu. Crowe me ba kromwano Prime Minister no John Major now on Ko University secondary school pe aya Ghana kan ekebehwe acid agunanim who born you as who work secondary school oba bebu o man no omo mo di school ni ba say wo hu ba bi omo duru and India ni make asem ya kire o say India ni for the some business of Ghana opa for certificate ekoho no obi a onim adwuma no ya befa de onim adwuma no wo certificate ne ya mfa ho India fo we no kra wo si abrofo India fo no omo no nso no Britain fo ruom obo sia ye ho say wo certificate ne woni experience they won't take you ya ma wo kwan ewo ye man no ya ma wo kwan say de adwuma ne be koso ye pe obi a onim adwuma ede ya fa no India fo wa ho Sangrofo we no o ma me bom de sia apia minka wow ene bo ache matres omu wo sika pa rodin ti bi begina o ka say apia minka semra de ye nto okofa raw materials ba no amana sai woni ne mpanifo o chekata no mo ne kwati bo twe no mo ne atamese no onu obubu ma o ma hu nyansa say private sectors no ene omu kura o man no but omo de omo so mbese no no man say and the man who say abai who employ only 1 million 1 million the rest of the private sectors and ebe look at this madness mo go mu nyuma nyina na wo sori anu kwa anu akobo besia wo sori anu kwa anu akobo besia wo sori anu kwa anu akobo besia mo sori mo si binu ya kromfo tete mo hu de mo aye de mo dua no eno eso na aba no mi yiwe asa ache wo UK so wo ye djuma wow UK the HM UK so be ye djuma wo UK wow they obenya from starting from the 16 years akwala wo ye djuma wo UK a ye betua wo ka so the ase ama wo nso wanya wo nso wo ho wo so ne wo de aba the minimum wage UK no £8.91 from the age of 23 years upwards you and from 16 years in Oma range no apprenticeship obia obenya wo de edi kro no eni kro mu ho am robber me ba Britain 31 years me who am robber hoda no yes in Nigeria for Nigeria for a wo kro mu ha nyina no obia ye nadwuma wonte so obia kofo obia de wonte sakawa adenti sakawa ye ne yadua sakawa na me se one day no say enkwalere ni bre no omo twempanifo ni sutu a right down from kwatibo twe no mo ne omo baka ho no a I be say the obey study pa obey study omo ya de omo bedwe ne ho omo ya de omo bedwe ne ho adan me ka se me ya ye me bi se me di niema pa makofa me ankasa makofa niema lockdown abansi entena dem na abaya me ekotua demolish last year some na America me tua demolish 240 million 3 weeks here cover the bar ye no me tua demolish na so kura we mu no Britain aban ebo business small business ebo mo business 50 million 50,000 from 10,000 to 50,000 the open be ebo Sikana omu yidi to a big one over 50 million. Anna, me a make a say cry ma misika. Me ba Ghana majisika 5 times. Because me a me majuma. Abani be ma usika. O Ghana de wanya bi ama o. No asan ajo dear. Nana kufu ado PhD fu nyina achi wa ho de esi. De esi I don't know. Well, move your way so Ghana minimum wage. O ye adwuma Ghana. Ya be ma wa he. Almost say 1270 something a day. And the calculating in I don't know 3 million a month. But the Britain there no almost 1,000 something pounds for minimum wage. 1,500 and something pounds a month. And you have to tax a womb. Now better than Nippon or Macron. Abeye den nipa no omo kro no abeye den nipa no onko ya sakawa apolice for myself se munue o na storm na eba no asosene mo Ghana badufo na di bone ana mo ne pagya mo asi animu business people a o mefa krofo aboa no ya collapse o enne den nyina omo ye me call Ghana Radio Gold me call letter bi akoshi minimu pa yatete mi James Ame drive ko for near close no adan there's obi ni party we by say gunaduma obi ni party we by say gunaduma na nkwala na wie omunye sika say omunye djuma munye den aba won fa only 1 million and they say won person omunye den say kro no die no mo na makreti o anya me mo na wo se wo ba be minister wo na wo se wo ba be president and wo anya nimudie ana wo de aye saade no enti krono a ekoso ne bone yesi no eye mo na makreti eye Ghana mpanifo mo na maye saade no wahu me de we so chem wahu Nigeria hiya wahu we ya Ghana de wahu we eye Nigeria hiya wahu se Nigeria ha omu duty o custom duty eniama ayefo Nigeria hiya o kofa niama uyi niama ayefo because omu private status no obi enu ha obekore aso eno na me kire wo no omu duty ayefo o de ne ka fa every abroche fa Ghana no de fa Nigeria no obetu ya fofofo there's a one difference ewu petrol Nigeria one petrol na matro pen Nigeria petrol ayefo because of say omu to subsidize the Ghana no yeah petrol no e duty and e dey eboy e bla eno ne aban ne beji ebe increase no anya sika eno obi akofa ne ma no wagi duty no private sector no ane kan sa aban anya sika no wagu ni nyina se wahu omu ni mudi ekura wom ena na ye bre ne de taxes nyina kan ho me de amaka se mini obi eni ni bone na emo de make kan se abetra brochira che masia okwan ya omo faso a omo de tonti aban ne pese meboa me de metimi aboa no metimi aboa government no ama private sector no revival no ama omo fa enipa ama nenya mfaso me pa ye no abrochire ne nyeso akotra school akoye PhD no wasu ade o yesia ne practical ne masia bibia anti the government ne pa me de meboa no ama krono sem na hoto nyira aba akọ enkwala ebo krono ayi sakawa ene de wo akwala akra se na Ghana ekona e dangerous pa na be dangerous kase ya sa to petrol mu enti na ahoche na beba kase enti boys no so bebo krono kase wo ma anya ni swadi hu from the beginning over 40 years ago and omo yes yebubu makwala nkrofo bu business wo nyina ya shen up to now yase kalabule ma menchire wase kalabule ne chese eniema shorto na odi egu ho no omo anti ase enti rori sinipo obeku ye nyina woni do asesa na Dr. Hilary Man oba ye within the term no wanche Ada Dr. Hillel ma introduce to trade mobilization first and now buy any clan yema. And to now buy this car the back clan yema. And don't you know what name I hold on any friend Dr. Hillel ma ban or the last ma will be it we did 1 year, 2 years, was son. Saturday na Rollins be kun crofona didn't know. Obviously, and just 1 day, Dr. Hillel ma were just like that. Suma nimudia because what trouble change nimudia. And to me say nimudia ni bi. Samo pe aban pe amebuano. Abuana mena creating nyuma. I revive on the back. Amananya income tax e di ebumano a onkobo besia. Because Ghana yenye na ya dia. Ye mo besia emfanya infrastructure e wrong. Ye mo besia eventual workers are wrong. So they are saying, "Onipa be ye juma ne taxes no." Ebi ne adi ye, ntimi de metimi aboa. Mimi nim de ama besia no. Enya PhD o. PhD a oni mo hwe. PhD a meme de niema ba. Lockdown. Mama me be tua demolish. Adi asha me ho aboka. You telling me so who kura PhD? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? UK ukra qualifications akra okopej ma unya PhD for unim omo ye lecturers we don't need them in the parliament omo na be cause problem no problem aye facing na every you kwesi botwenum no beda asamwa no no check out no mo amu kuse omu ni mu ade. This is what we are going through today, so we don't need it. Britain open for education on ya the knowledge nyansa and the boom no e de hia ni mudie fo e de ya kire na de boom no. So in the school no de uko school here, but now so school no a obekwa wo di be damage ni man, we don't want it. Ntimi de me mbesi he ya mesa to aso next mesa ye more statistic any niam esi habo nyina no me ye ni nyina we de me mbesi he ya. Amen.